Greetings of the day. Today we have Dr. Amit Jain, Deputy Director, School of Law from CPJ College, Narela. Hi, sir. Greetings from
Hi, good morning.
here.
Good morning, Uditji. Good morning.
Can you please give a brief description of yourself and the college, sir?
Yes, I am Dr. Amit Jain, Deputy Director, CPJ School of Law. And CPJ School of Law has been established in year 2007. We are affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Dwarka, and approved by Bar Council of India, Delhi. It is located in a lush green campus of 1 acres in Narela, Delhi. Ji Uditji.
Great, sir. So now we move ahead to the questions from the thoughts of education of College Dunia. Coming over to the question number 1. How does the curriculum of BBA LLB and BA LLB course ensure the best practice of industry in the law field?
We can say that at CPJ, students are exposed to a variety of courses depending on the program of study. While a substantial knowledge of the law is paramount, and the focus at CPJ is on learning the skills required to contribute to society as a model citizen. Apart from these courses, students are also given the opportunity to engage with the research centers, summer schools, and internships at various law firms, co-curricular and curricular activities. These opportunities allow for CPJ students to graduate with more than just a law degree. So we expect that our graduates of 5-year integrated courses, that is BA LLB and BBA LLB programs, must have certain attributes, like they have the coherent understanding of the fundamental areas of legal knowledge, including the Indian legal system, social justice, cultural and international context, and principles and values of ethical practice also. Skills those are required related to law, including drafting of legal documents, both for court purpose and otherwise. So students are very much capable with them. Yes, Uditji. Next question, please.
Very well said, sir. Now over to the next question. With the growing competition, how do you guide your students to survive and grow?
Yes, I can say that competition does not mean setting yourself above another person. It can also mean finding the ways at top of your bests, at top of your personal bests, to extend a streak, beat a high score, and earn a new badge. Every learner starts at different pace, and it may take a while for them to gain enough mastery to reach the level of the more advanced learners. But turning their attention towards the own progress, they can help them to stay encouraged or as well as to develop their own skills. So every student is unique and everyone has their own strength and own weaknesses. So everyone has their own starting point in their education and in their life in this journey. Teaching them for being competitive is just our self-motive. Yeah, next question, Uditji.
Greatly said, sir. Now coming over to the third question of the day. What this department do in order to enhance the skills of the students in the law field?
Yes, I can say in this context that legal profession and the trillion dollar global industry are going into a very big transformation these days. And seminal elements of legal practice like differentiated expertise, experience, skills, and judgment remains largely unchanged in this time. CPJ offers 5-year integrated courses BLLB and BBLLB since its exception in the year of 2007. And the college is affiliated to GHSIPU, as I had told in my introduction also, and we are affiliated to Bar Council of Delhi rules, and aims at fostering a culture of scholarship and academic excellence among the students. So students may be awarded credits for undertaking co-curricular activities, which allow them to develop a legal reasoning skills and enhance their understanding of the law. So students availing scholarships are required to mandatorily participate in successful organization of the events on campus also. Uditji, next question.
Thank you so much, sir. Next question is, how do you tend to build an industry connect with BA LLB and BB LLB courses?
Yes, we can say in this context that the legal field is all about having live and passionate people who believe in immaculate practical approaches towards this subject. And to be successful in the final year, internships and placements are the very important areas. And for the smoother flow of the course also, each subject is thoroughly explained theoretically and practically to the students. So students receives hands-on experience with various court cases through virtual court visits, through the draftings, through the agreements and contracts, etc. So industry expert sessions get aligned on regular basis, bringing in the latest trends of this field. So regular industry visits, webinars and workshops make the students connect with the live and practical approach of the industry. This is our industry connect.
Greatly said, sir. Now coming over to the last question, any success story of students you want to share with all of us?
Yes, we have many students, those who are successful in their life after completing their course, BLLB and BPLLB 5-year integrated courses. They becomes judge today in Rajasthan Judiciary, in Bihar Judiciary. One of a good student, I can say, Pankuri Khanpur, who is a BLLB alumni of our CPJ college. That she says that the college is not just a college; it is like a family with the opportunity of building lifelong relationships, friendships from the people with different cultures and histories. So having like-minded views, she adds that the practical experience she gets from the classes and internships during her time at CPJ were very invaluable for starting a successful and sustainable career ahead from the day one after the college. So she says that the faculty helped her identity, faculty helped her strengths, helped her to explore her true potential, she says. The culture at CPJ fostered sharing of ideas, critical decisions, and collaboration among students and faculty across a wide range of interests. So this will be very good that students are sharing this type of views. Yes, Udit.
That is very great, sir. Thank you so much for all the time you have given to conduct an interview on the thoughts of education from College Dunia. So here we have Dr. Amit Jain, Deputy Director of School of Law from CPJ College. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wish a great, successful career ahead to all the students. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.